The population is increasing and urbanization growing by the day. What is happening to the land sizes? The land sizes in this country are diminishing. So what happens when you find yourself in the urban setup? You want to grow your food and you have no space to grow. This video is for you. My name is Eunice Karanja, the farmer's friend, and I welcome you to this channel where we learn how to make more, grow more, as we take care of our environment. In today's video, we are going to talk about urban farming, how you grow food from your backyard so that you can have food security even in an urban setup. And to help us understand this topic is Alice from Hillside Organic Garden. Welcome to the channel, Alice.
Thank you, Eunice, for having me.
It's good to have you today.
Yes.
Explain to us, what are these?
Wow, this is exciting. What we've got here is a solution to a problem.
Yes, yes.
A problem that is actually very common now.
Yes.
The fact that we have urban population.
Yes.
And we need to produce food.
Yeah.
So what we have created here are some possibility, a garden that is versatile and is flexible.
Yes.
Which you can fix even on a paved place.
Yes.
On your veranda.
Yes.
On your backyard. Any small space that you have can work for these gardens. And all you need is to fix it and grow. That's all.
Yes. Sounds very interesting.
Yes.
I understand this place is concrete. Here, where we established this one.
Yes, there's no soil here, so you can't really grow anything here.
Yes.
So that means either this space is wasted, yes, or it's made good use through the solution we are talking about here. And as you can see, we've set gardens here. These are round gardens.
Yes. We
are just setting them and putting soil, but the kind of soil we are putting is well mixed so that it can help us grow food. It is full of fertility and able to support plant growth.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you explain to us in 2 minutes what this the soil mixture looks like?
The soil mixture here is mixed. It's common things. It's resources that are available. We are talking about just normal garden soil mixed with manure and mixed with rock dust. So people can add whatever other kind of mixtures they would prefer or find in their local places.
Yes.
As long as that kind of material is rich in minerals. Or it is able to bring in organic matter, like the manure. Okay. So whether manure is chicken manure or it is goat manure, whatever manure
or compost manure from your kitchen.
Whatever kind of manure you have, I think it's a starting point. No excuse.
Yeah. Very nice.
And if you don't have manure, you can compost from your kitchen.
From your kitchen waste.
Yes.
I think one special thing about this garden is the area where we've established it.
Yes.
And it is making me very excited. Maybe you can explain to us slightly about this and the beneficiaries of this garden.
Well, this is a project that is within Mukuru slums. This is a school within Mukuru slums. And these are beneficiaries of these are children from the slums.
Yes.
So we are basically saying squeezed dwellings.
Yes.
Where there's no space for growing anything.
Yeah.
But we hope that with this kind of introduction we have brought to them, this kind of gardens, whatever space they have at home, they can work with it.
Yeah.
And we have told them this is not the standard size.
Yes.
You can make it smaller or bigger, depending on where your space is.
Okay.
But Mukuru is not the only place where there are issues of urbanization.
Yeah.
This is a growing problem, and we have to find solutions. Because more and more, as you said, we are getting urbanized.
Yeah.
Yes, and there's no space.
Looking for employment.
Yes.
And we need to reduce the cost of living, at least by growing food from our backyard.
Yes.
So must it be this kind of a garden, or you can also use containers or other locally available materials?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
You can, whatever material will help you make a wall, because we are talking about a wall and a space.
Yeah.
Inside the space and then the wall. Yeah. The wall is to hold the soil.
Yes.
Together. Of course, you need that. Otherwise, how will the soil be together? Yeah. So the wall, whatever material that can make a wall and give you a space, because you need that space to grow. Whether the space is a container or it is a sack, or whatever space that you have, as long as it is contained in a way, the soil is contained in a way. Yes.
Lastly, I think we are saying the advantage of this kind of a garden is that it's versatile.
Yes.
You can place it whichever space that you have.
Yes.
And maybe you can illustrate to us the versatility of this garden here. Assuming this is your space.
Yeah, this is a paved space.
This is a paved space, yes.
This is a paved space. So definitely there's nothing you can grow here.
Yeah.
But with this, all you need to do is set up your garden.
Yeah.
So if you want to keep your veranda clean,
which is very important for us ladies.
It is important.
Yeah.
So you just line with the plastic sheeting like this.
Yeah.
Then you bring in your garden. You shape it. Okay, this is a corner.
Yeah.
So how do I shape it? This is a door.
Yeah.
How do I shape it? So that it's at the corner and it fits on that small space, because that's the only space
available.
Or available. And at the same time, this space is not round.
Yeah.
So you can have it either round or you can have it rectangular. Like that. You can even have it in triangular shape. Depends on your space again. If your space is triangular, it is very versatile. That is exactly what I mean.
Yeah.
And it will go with any space.
Any space. It can even cut corners, right?
Yes, it can.
It can
so
cut corners.
If you have a barrier, assume this is a barrier. You can. Okay, and I assume it's level, and you have a barrier.
Yeah.
You see?
You can
still navigate your barrier.
Navigate your barrier, grow food here, and grow food on this other side.
Yes.
Very nice. So we really don't have an excuse
not to grow.
Not to grow food.
You can even have it 8 shape.
So if you had a barrier here
and another one here,
you can make
it still squeeze it.
Do an 8 the food.
Yeah.
The shape of an 8.
Yeah.
Grow some food here.
Yes.
Grow some food here.
And I said it is not standard in size. You can do bigger.
Yeah.
Of course, when you do a bigger one, you have to consider your ability to navigate it and manage it.
As you take care of the garden.
Yes.
Yeah.
So because of that, I recommend that is 2 meters in diameter maximum.
Okay.
Not more. Not more than 2 meters.
Okay.
So that you're able to move around it and work it. If it's more than 2 meters and your hand is about a meter,
it will be very hard to manage.
That story, yes.
All right.
Yes.
Very nice.
And probably it's on against a wall, so you will not be able to reach those corners.
Yes.
So in that case, you can make 2 meters diameters.
Yes.
Make several
of them. Okay.
Take care of the space. Yes.
Okay. Another question.
Yes.
So what happens when we get either compaction or the fertility of this bed?
Oh, yes. Yes.
How do we rehabilitate that?
Of course, the wall of this bag, grow bag, is preferably plastic, like recycled plastic, like the one we're using here.
Yeah.
So it means it can last for a very long time.
All right.
But maybe the soil may deteriorate.
True.
Because of
the
growing over and over.
growing. Yes.
So that is expected, that the soil will deteriorate in terms of fertility.
Yes.
And it can also compact.
True.
So what you do is you lift up this garden.
Naturally and simply.
Save your wall, save your garden, save it on the side, put it aside. Then scoop your soil. Scoop it to a wheelbarrow or just
container
somewhere else.
Yeah.
And you mix it anew with new manure, with new things, so that fertility improves.
Yes.
Some of the things we have added, like I've told you about rock dust. Rock dust is very good in terms of fertility, in terms of phosphorus, potassium.
Yes.
Those minerals that plants need.
Yeah.
So it will be one of the good things that you may add when you're renewing your garden. Together with manure.
Yes.
Because of nitrogen and carbon, you need manure.
Yeah.
So that is how you renew it.
You renew your garden.
That is how you make sure you have continued productivity.
So you line again your
You come back again and put it back, and then bring back the soil.
And grow your crops. And the cycle continues. And there you have got burgers for your household throughout the year.
Yes.
The watering?
Very easy too.
Yes.
Very easy watering.
And very little amount of water.
This plastic is also aids at conserving moisture.
True.
From the sides.
Yes.
So that there's no evaporation on the sides.
Yeah.
Or loss of moisture on the sides. So you may have to lose moisture in a way,
but you can mulch.
You mulch.
Yes.
That is very important.
Yeah.
Mulch. Mulching with materials like grass, like rice husk, like sawdust. You can mulch.
Yeah.
But then when you want to water, it is not going to be a lot of work.
Yeah.
Or a lot of you can save your water.
You save your water
from your kitchen. And bring the water. So that little water you have in the kitchen can go a long way.
As long as it doesn't have soap.
Yes.
Yeah.
It can go a long way.
Go a long way to grow your crops.
To save this. So it is that rinsing water that doesn't have soap. You bring it here. Okay. And you're able to recycle your water again. So what a brilliant idea.
A circular economy. You use water in the kitchen, you grow your food here, and you use your vegetables in the kitchen.
Yes.
Again.
And the other thing is, you can still use your kitchen waste to make liquid fertilizer or foliar feed to keep this going. And we'll talk about that in another video.
I love that idea. It's brilliant. So we really don't have a reason why not to grow food from our backyard.
Sure.
So I am here, I am a Nairobian, and I don't know how to establish this garden.
Talk to us.
Where can I get this kind of a garden so that I can just come and establish it?
I am here all for you. So contact us, Hillside Organic Garden.
Yes.
And Farmer's Friend.
Yeah.
Your channel. I know you'll get to us.
Yes.
So we'll get this going for you. It doesn't matter where you are.
Okay.
From Karen to Kibera, we go.
Yeah.
From wherever to wherever.
We are as versatile as this garden.
Yes. Sure.
Thank you very much. So there you have it, our viewers. You don't have a reason not to grow food from your backyard. And the Hillside Organic Garden, the Farmer's Friend, will help you have this garden. And if you want us to come and establish it for you, we are here to establish it for you so that you can have food from your backyard. Here we have it. Spinach, another bed of spinach. This bed here, we've planted indigenous vegetables, managu, terere. We've got kales here, some cabbages there. All this in a land which was previously unproductive. This is then to tell us that we don't have a reason not to grow food, regardless of where we are. Where you have your backyard or you have a space that is not productive, we will help you grow food right behind your backyard. We will come back here after 2 weeks and we will show you how these crops will be faring. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel so that you keep learning these practical solutions that help you grow food right where you are. Stay blessed.